Hello, I'm Brandon Bonifer, and you are on Focus. We have been making our way throughout downtown Marshfield, talking to areas, business owners, especially in the restaurant market. And we're learning that over the last 24 hours, in the next day or two, they're going to be changing a lot of their business. A lot of them have dining establishments, are now moving to curbside and carry out and delivery. With this, we're also learning that some of these businesses, after talking to Nick Arnley from Marshfield Insurance, that they're exposing themselves to some additional risks. So, Nick, we have some businesses that are just trying to make ends meet and trying to deal with this pandemic in the best way they can. And really what's happening by them changing some of their business practices, they're really exposing themselves to some additional risk. What are some of those risks, and how or what should they be considered moving forward?
Really, it's a simple fix. With the restaurants being closed, a lot of them are moving to do delivery, which is a great option for them. But with that, a lot of the people that could be driving or delivering things are on a personal auto policy. That has some specific exclusions for delivery, whether it's pizza, any food, newspapers, doesn't matter. The exclusions pertain to physical damage and to liability. So we need to make a fix and switch them to a commercial auto policy. We can help you out with that. Any agent in your area can help you out with that. Given the circumstances, we can expedite that quite quickly. Shouldn't be of much additional cost. There can be some differences, but given, again, the circumstances, carriers are helping us out with that. Also, given the circumstances, we've had a lot of questions relating to, do I have to switch? Given the circumstances, do the insurance companies understand that? They do, but their coverage forms, their policy contracts are filed with the state. The easiest way to fix this, to expedite this, is to call your agent, call us, any insurance agent, and get you converted to a commercial auto policy that covers delivery services.
Yeah, and for a lot of these business owners, it's something they never had to talk about before because this wasn't part of their business. So in the last 24 to 40 hours, they've had to make a lot of changes. As you're talking with some of these business owners, are they stressed about other things in their policies as well in their business that they're conventing with you?
Well, quite a bit. I mean, there's going to be some lost income. They're making do or trying to make do with the delivery service, but I wouldn't think that can supplement fully what their income was when their doors were open. We've had a lot of discussions about lost income. Lost income is a coverage piece to the commercial policy. However, the only way for that lost income to be accessed is from direct physical loss to covered property. There really isn't any solution to access that coverage unless you've had physical damage to your property. So that coverage is not going to be accessible by any of our restaurants or really any other businesses that may have to temporarily shut down. It'd be really great for the community to come out and support those restaurants now that they're doing delivery and doing what we can to help them out as they help out the community in other ways with sponsorships. So those are a lot of the discussions that we've been having.
Now, we also know there's a few different insurance carriers in the area, one specializing mostly in the restaurant business, one specializes in the church business. Obviously, these are two areas that are definitely seeing an impact from the crowds. Have you seen any notifications or any communications from those carriers on what they're trying to do to cope with this?
A lot are being more flexible with the delivery services. Their appetite for doing those types of risks has widened in order to help. Normally, they don't do a lot of it. They're doing a lot of it now to try and help. The other things, there are some companies that are trying to help with billings, maybe suspending or pushing those due dates back. So talk to your agent if you need help with that. So we're doing the best that we can. Really, the best way to cover those solutions, like we referred to before, is just to call, talk to your agent about anything you're changing in your operations. If you need billing help or anything, call your agent.
And as we go through this process together as one community, we're all each and every day learning about new information, being exposed to new endeavors and new findings, and we're all just trying to learn together and get through this together. Guys, we've said this on every broadcast so far, and we'll continue to say it moving forward. Do what you can to support your community. Keep your guys' healthy and safe. And I'm Brandon Bonifer. Stay tuned to the coverage that matters most to you.